In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Pipedrive subscription. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Then, click on your profile in the top right corner and select Manage My Plan. This will take you directly to the billing page. Once you're there, scroll down to the Your Plan section. Here, you may see a Cancel My Subscription button. Simply click it to start the cancellation process. If you don't see the button there, click Manage Subscription instead. On the next page, you'll find the Cancel My Subscription option. Since I'm currently on a free trial, I can't show the button, but this is where you'll find it. Next, review the information on the screen, choose a reason for cancelling, and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once you've completed the process, your subscription will be cancelled. You'll still have access to your account until the end of your current billing period. That's how you cancel your Pipedrive subscription. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel